Hello, we are at Mr. Raju Vincent property out in Winfield, Illinois. Obviously, we have repairs paid for on the roofing. There are repairs needed to all 4 slopes of roofing, directional slopes that is, and there is hail and wind damage to all slopes extensively. I'm not sure even how this got wrote up as repairs. However, I'm out here today to kind of document a repair attempt. This is also a 2-layer roof, and the first layer is organic. That is pretty much falling apart as it is. I'm one person out here, but I'm going to do my best here. Set this phone up here for you guys. That's kind of the best I can do here. First single trying to separate just completely tore. Try and undo these shingles here. Okay, so sealing. Another tear. Okay. I'm gonna stop here actually, because this is just causing more damage, and I'm not gonna continue that. This roof is 100% not repairable. So on the first attempt trying to separate these, we had this tear here. Where are we at? So that is chunks of matting taken out from the shingle, meaning if we're trying to save either of these shingles, both are damaged to where they will not reseal. And then come over here where I'm trying to separate and take out a shingle, but we have this second layer organic roof that is just deteriorating anytime it is even slightly manipulated. So again, this is extensive repairs to be done on this roof. They cannot be done in its current condition, and with the 2 layers of roofing, and also there is damage all over the roof to qualify a roof replacement. So we're going to be sending in a request for a full roof replacement, and I very much appreciate you taking the time to watch this today, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you.